I picked up this Howard Miller chime clock. Woman said wasn't working. She didn't have a key. Actually, it's got a broken spring for the time train. I checked it when I got home. Only paid 50 bucks for it because I thought it was a Westminster. Turns out it's a triple chime. So I'm gonna take it apart, replace that spring, see what it sounds like. Found a little ding in the top here. We might do something a little bit with that case, but otherwise the case looks very nice. Expect to be able to just basically repair the spring, put it back together. Get what you're getting. Nice thing about these is you don't have to take the hands off to work on them. I'm sure we're going to wind up taking it apart that way, but we can take the movement out of the case and get the case put aside anyway. Here we go. Nice movement. 1051-020. Howard Miller. That's the barrel down in the middle there. Let's see how we can take this apart. Alright, now we got it out. We're definitely taking the dial off in the hands. Alright, I like to cheat, so I went online to see if anybody has documented replacing a spring without taking apart the whole thing, and nobody has. So I'm going to try it myself. I have fought with these before timing, so we're going to scribe and mark the gear to make sure we put it back the right way. Take a small little scratch. Need to know where to put it when it's going back together, because we're going to lift this barrel out. When they're loaded, you'll have to let them down, which means unwinding them, but this one has no pressure, no torque, so there's nothing to let down. Center barrel. We're going to try and get out of there. I think we got a shot now. There we go. Easy peasy. Alright, I really get to cheat on this one. Over the summer, I bought a whole bag full of movements for $5 a piece. This is one of them. It's the sister movement. And the spring is good on this one. Nice and tight. So what we're going to do is harvest the entire barrel. When I open that up, it's certainly going to match. This is a 50, a 50. So dig in. There you go. It's a match. Slide this in there. Get that all buttoned up. See if we can make a run. Something else I see here, suspension spring. It's got a little bit of a kink in it, and I mean, since I have it in my hand, it's another thing I picked up over the summer, a box of these little springs. I know I got one in there that matches, so I think we're going to get a new one of them too. Alright. New replacement. It's got metal instead of plastic blocks. That's fine. So make sure they're the same length. Distance looks good. we got a drill. Now let's test it. I'll wait till I hang it to put the hands on so I can figure out where the chime's at, and we'll take another shot. All cleaned up and ready for sale. Let's see what she sounds like.